On this 20th anniversary of the IRWM program and our regional partnership, we're full of gratitude. And it's taken a lot of work to get to a point where we have a functional region that is not just depending upon the programs and the funding of the past, but is leaning into the future, designing how those programs work and how we build nature-based solutions in our communities.
I've been working for the tribe for 20 years as a fisheries biologist here in the Lower Klamath. The Yurok tribe has probably the largest tribal fisheries program in California, and they're definitely, their whole culture and lifeways are dependent on the health of the river and the health of the salmon.
Taking the advantage of this opportunity to engage and participate in this program and having that ability to drive it and being able to say we would like it to go this way or that way has been a real draw for the tribes.
The Yurok Fisheries Program, we're focused on what's called process-based restoration. We're trying to mimic natural features and functions. Right now we are in Hunter Creek, which is a tributary to the Lower Klamath. This particular project, we did stream and floodplain restoration in a mile of Hunter Creek, as well as in a mile of Turwar Creek, which is an adjacent watershed just upriver from us. Project focused on building in-stream habitat, putting in large wood jams and other features, increasing side channel habitats and other floodplain features to benefit fish and wildlife, as well as sort of those ecological processes that are necessary for, fish to thrive. So we work with the North Coast Resource Partnership, and it's been great. I really appreciate the sort of integrated expertise that it brings into developing projects, reviewing projects, prioritizing them for funding, and then a great bunch of people to work through as you're going through the project.
I'd challenge anybody to show a better partnership between tribe and county and local government than we have right now. And that's the key is that the IRWM program has allowed us to not just come together as a region, but to rise as a region. The results are there across the landscape, and I would invite anybody to come up and see them firsthand.